right, now let's glue the jumper wire female ends into place in the little wire clamps. And I'm going to use some gel style super glue to do that. I've got all my wires ready, all my clamps ready, and we'll start one at a time. I'm just going to put a little bit of super glue down into the base of the clamp, and then I'm going to carefully try to keep these sealed ends together. And I want to do it with the contacts showing, the little silver squares showing, so that I can use them potentially for troubleshooting later on when I see that I don't have good connectivity. But I'll start by putting some, I guess I got to do this, get the glue down into the end of the nozzle. Put a little bit of glue in here, don't want to put too much. Oh, look at that. So let me put some super glue, just a small amount, down in this clamp. There. And then trying to hold these as tightly together as possible. Put them into the clamp and slide them forward until they make contact with this little white lip. And then just hold them down, I don't know, probably 45 seconds or so, whatever it says on the bottle, to get a good connection. Then we'll move on to the next one. I'm not even going to hold it that long. I'll just move it on. Now we have the specialized clamp for this, for the buzzers, and do the same thing. Just put a little bit of glue down in each slot. The gel can be a little pain to work with. I may switch over to the less goopy super glue. Also, I think I'll get a Kleenex ready here. Clean up my messes. I'll separate these two and put each one down into a separate slot. And just hold those temporarily. Oops, hold them temporarily. Make sure you get it down into the slot all the way. And slide them all the way up to the front, all the way to the front of the clamp. All right, well, I switched over to thinner super glue for the second speaker clamp and immediately made a huge mess. So I'm going to be a little bit more controlled this time and a little more protected surface. We'll do the 4-wire clamp. These are for the proximity sensors. Slide it into place, hold it, make sure it's completely in both front and back. I'll hold those for a second or two. And then we'll move on. Yeah, I made a big mess. squeeze them together so that the wires stay kind of aligned here. I can feel myself sticking to myself from the earlier big mess. All right. Hold those. And we'll let those cure as we get ready for the next steps.